Hello students, welcome to a new video of my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the paper for answer sheet, library and cataloging theory. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা আলোচনা করব বিলিজ টার্ম এন্ড এক্সামের পেপার 4 এর অ্যানসার শিট সম্বন্ধে। তো এর আগে আমার চ্যানেলে পেপার 1, 2, 3 এবং পেপার 8 এর সলিউশন আপলোড আছে। তো তোমরা আমার ভিডিওর আই বাটনে প্রেস করে সেখান থেকে দেখে নিতে পারো, অথবা ভিডিও ডেসক্রিপশনেও লিঙ্ক দেওয়া আছে, সেখান থেকেও চেক আউট করতে পারো। তো আগের ভিডিওতে কিছুটা সাউন্ডের প্রবলেম ছিল, তার জন্য আই এম ভেরি সরি। তো বেশি সময় নষ্ট না করে চলো শুরু করা যাক। Number 2. The name of Antonio Panizzi was associated with. He was a Italian patriot. Also, he was a British librarian. Question number 3. Which answer is AACR, Anglo-American Cataloging Code? Question 4. Prenatal cataloging is also called for cataloging in publication, CIP, or cataloging in source. Question 5. The details of a book comprising author, title, imprint, collection are technically called main entries. Question 6. Analytical entry is prepared for series or items within a collection. Question 7. What is the standard size of a catalog card at present day? 12.5 into 7.5 millimeter postal, অথবা 5 ইঞ্চি ইন্টু 3 ইঞ্চি। Question 8. Cataloging in publication implies for basic cataloging data for a work prepared before publication by the National Library of country where the work in printing publication or by the Library of Publishing organization such as government. Question number 19. AACR second edition was published in 1978. Question 10. Canon of prepotence is concerned with to decide the position of an entry among the various entries in a catalog অথবা classified catalog code. Question 11. Classified catalog code designed by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Question 12. According to inner form of library catalog, alphabetical arrangement of catalog cards are prepared for dictionary catalog, title, alphabetical subject, alphabetical classification. Question 13. A direction from one another used heading to use heading reference is called cataloging service. Question number 14. Question number 15. Shelf list of a library generally used for by staff collection control rather than as an access tool. Question 16. What are the three classes of additional descriptive information usually recorded in descriptive cataloging? Notes, annotation, descriptive cataloging. Question 17. One important person who advocated the process of simplified cataloging, Antonio Panizzi. Question 18. It is a optionable question. Question 19. What are the main housekeeping operations are there for library automation? Acquisition, cataloging, classification, circulation of books and serial control. Question 20. Which is internationally accepted record exchange format for computerized cataloging? Mark 21 adhere to ISO 2709 by ISO or CCF. Question 21. How many entries are prepared for self list of a document? 4. Main entry, subject entry, author entry, other necessary information. Question 22. Union catalog of member library can easily be prepared as a byproduct when the participating libraries are in the initiative of supply entries to furnish a record of their resources, অথবা made for a library system ranging from that of a central library with several branch libraries to that of a regional system. Question 23. Classified catalog code designed by S.R. Ranganathan. Question 25. A Prussian instruction was founded in 1941. AACR2 founded in 1961. AA code was founded in 1908. classified catalog code was founded in 1934? Question 26. In CCC, the leading section of main entry shows call number of the document which consists of accession number. Question 27. 8 area of description AACR2R is preliminaries. Question 28. From which library record library professionals can find out the exact location of a document in the service stock taking, stock verification. Question 31. Author approach catalogs are main entry. Question 33. Chemistry and organic chemistry are based on author, title name and subject entry. Question 34. 3 types of analytical entries are author, title and reference. Question 35. Full form of library OPAC is online public access catalog. Question 36. For selection of subject heading, generally we consider 4 subdivision of subject which are matter, subject, time, place. Question 37. Name 2 most popular subject heading list used in our country. Library of Congress subject heading LCSH and Sears list of subject headings. Question 38. The shelf list is an catalog cards administration record of a library. Question 39. 3 types of catalog entries are prepared, namely main entries, subject entry, sub entry. Question 40. Authority file is to maintain for authority control which records the correct form of headings. Personal heading as an example. Question 41. The cataloging in publication program was termed by S.R. Ranganathan as prenatal cataloging. UNIMAC is the program of IFLA. Question 44. Accession register may consider as permanent record of all data. It is the most important documents of library's documentation system. Shape list usually arranged by call number. Question 46. Catalog in publication is the national library of the country where the work is principally published. Question 47. A union catalog is the catalog of more than 2 or more libraries. Question 48. Publication year of first and second edition of Anglo-American cataloging rules was 1967 and 1978. Question 50. International Conference on Cataloging Principles was organized by IPLA in the year 1961 to discuss on the principles of cataloging code. Question 51. Ranganathan started 9 canons for his classified catalog code. Question 52. British Museum catalog code was devised by Sir Anthony Panizzi in the year 1839. Question 56. Catalog is the important library record of books which shows the position of any book on the shelves. Question 57. British Museum Code was approved in 1839 and published in 1841. Classified Catalog Code by S.R. Ranganathan in 1934. And AA Code was found in 1908 and AACR Code, CR2 Code was founded in 1978. 60. According to AACR2, GMD stand for General Material Designation. So student, this is the total solution of paper 4. I think it will help you. Today is the exam day, so best of luck to you. And obviously before end, request to you, whoever not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button, or whoever subscribe my channel, thanks to them also. So for today this is enough. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.